magandang dilag, puso ko yung nabihag. Wala nang ninanais, ligaya kang labis. Oh, magandang dilag.
Ano masasabi mo? Ano po yan? Hi guys, it's me, Ninia. So right now, nasa Hor kami with Pambansang Daddy of the Kids Empire. And our Supreme Mom, kaway-kaway naman dyan. And Coach Novi, fancy na yan. So ayun. Hindi ko alam kung saan kami pupunta eh. So update ko kayo later pero sobrang exciting to. And i-date kami ni Pambansang Daddy. See you later guys! So we're here in the lobby in the sky. So hi guys, right now we're here in lobby in the sky. And look at this. Sobrang ganda ng Cebu. Pasok tayo. Tara. So right now, nandito na kami sa loob and sobrang ganda and elegant niya. And kasama ko, yung Supreme Mom and Opa-Jay, soon to be millionaire. And our Pambansang Daddy. Hi! So ayan. And ipapakita ko sa inyo ang view. See? Tignan pa natin yung iba guys.